Hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's nice seeing you here once again. I'm Teacher Regan. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. So we are still continuing with our topic of decimals, or our substrand of decimals. So in our previous session, we discussed how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. So in this session, we are going to discuss division of decimals by decimals. Is that okay? Yeah, we are going to discuss how to divide a decimal number by another decimal number. So if you have been wondering how to go about that, then here is the solution to your query. So for example, let us have an example. Divide 0.64 by 0.4. So here, solution. First of all, we simplify our equation. That means that it is 0.64 divided by 0.4. So here, convert both the decimal numbers, into fractions and get the reciprocal of the divisor. Next, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor, i.e., we shall have now 0.64 divided by 0.4 is equal to 64 over 100 divided by 4 over 10. So here, 4 over 10 is our divisor, and its reciprocal is 10 over 4. So from that juncture, we now multiply our dividend, which is 64 over 100, times the reciprocal, which is 10 over 4. 10 over 4. So at this point, we can do our simplification. This and this will cancel out, such that we have 64 times 1 is just 64 over 10 times 4. Divisibility test rule of 4, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the digits in the tens and ones place value is a multiple of 4. We can see the number on the numerator is a 2-digit number, and it's a multiple of 4. So 4 into 4 ones, 4 into 6, 1 time you get 4 remainder, 2 into 24, 6 times, such that we have 16 over 10. Remember, division of a decimal number by a whole number. Whenever you are dividing a whole number or a decimal number by 10, hundreds, or whatever, then the decimal point will shift one place to the left. So here we'll have the decimal point shifting from there to here, such that our answer becomes 1.6. Are we together? Yeah, another example. You can have an example like 3.609 divided by 3.03. So solution, we just go about it the same way, convert all this into fraction. So this will be 3,609 over 1,000 divided by 3 over 100. This is our divisor. We'll get its reciprocal, then we multiply it by our dividend. Then from there, we go ahead and multiply the fractions normally. So that is 3,609 over 1,000. Here, the reciprocal of this is 100 over 3. So that is times 100 over 3. So this and these zeros will cancel out such that we have 3,609 times 1. It's only remaining 1 here, so that doesn't change anything, over 10 times 3. Let us retain it the way it is, because we want to carry out a test on the divisibility test rule of 3. So what did we say is the divisibility test rule of 3? Yes, Angela? Correct. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum formed, or if the sum of its individual digits is a multiple of 3. So here we have a number 3,609. Let us test if it is divisible by 3. 3 plus 6, that is 9. Plus 0, that is 9. 9 plus 9, that is 18. Is 18 a multiple of 3, or rather divisible by 3? Yes. Therefore, we can simplify using 3. 3 into 3, 1 times, 3 into 3, 1, into 6, 2, into 0, 0, into 9, 3, such that we have 1,203 over 10. We are dividing here by 10. 0 will shift the decimal point 1 place to the left, such that our answer becomes 120.3. 120.3. Any question up to that point on the divisibility? Not really the divisibility, but the division of decimals by another decimal. Any question? All right. If you do not have a question, kindly take the following. 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 Solve the following. Solve the following. Number 1A, 3.69 divided by 0.09. B, B can have 1.224 divided by 0.04. C, 0.789 divided by 0.18. So take those 3 questions and please go ahead and get many more word problems on the same and solve for your own good. Otherwise, thank you for your time. I'll see you in our next session.